Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of smart light bulbs, specifically looking at how they can transform your space for both mood and daily lighting needs. I've been testing a few different models, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. First, let's talk about why smart bulbs are so cool. Forget fumbling for light switches. Smart bulbs connect to your home Wi-Fi and can be controlled via a smartphone, app or voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This means you can turn lights on or off, dim them, change colors, and even set schedules from anywhere. The convenience factor alone is a huge win. When it comes to mood lighting, smart bulbs really shine. Most models offer a spectrum of colors, allowing you to create any atmosphere you desire. Want a cozy, warm glow for movie night? Easy. Need vibrant, energizing light for a workout? Done. You can experiment with different colors and intensities to find the perfect setting for any occasion. But smart bulbs aren't just about fun colors. They're also practical for everyday use. Many offer adjustable white light temperatures, from a cool, crisp daylight for focusing to a warm, inviting glow for relaxing. This flexibility is great for different times of day and activities. Imagine waking up to a gradual sunrise simulation. That's a smart bulb making your mornings brighter. Now, let's talk about some features to look for when choosing a smart bulb. First, compatibility. Make sure the bulb works with your existing smart home ecosystem, whether it's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Second, consider the brightness level, measured in lumens. Choose a bulb that provides enough light for your space. Third, think about color temperature. Do you prefer warm, cool, or adjustable white light? Fourth, explore features like scheduling, grouping, and scenes. These options allow you to customize your lighting even further. I've tested a few different brands, and I have some recommendations. Branda offers excellent color accuracy and a user-friendly app. Brand B is known for its reliability and integration with various smart home platforms. And Brand C provides great value for the price, making smart lighting accessible to everyone. Of course, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, smart light bulbs are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their home lighting experience. They offer convenience, versatility, and the ability to create the perfect mood for any occasion. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a simple upgrade, smart bulbs are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and happy lighting. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of smart light bulbs, specifically looking at how they can transform your space for both mood and everyday lighting. We'll explore what makes these bulbs smart, the different features they offer, and how they can enhance your daily life and your home's ambiance. So, what exactly is a smart light bulb? At its core, it's a light bulb you can control remotely, usually through a smartphone app or voice commands. This means you can turn lights on and off, dim them, change colors, and even set schedules, all without getting up from your couch. Pretty convenient, right? Let's talk about the features. One of the most common is the ability to adjust the brightness or dimming. This is great for setting the mood for a movie night or creating a cozy atmosphere. Many smart bulbs also offer a wide range of color options. You can choose from millions of colors to match your mood, the season, or any special occasion. Think vibrant hues for a party, or soft pastels for relaxation. Beyond basic control, smart bulbs often integrate with other smart home devices. You can create scenes, which are preset combinations of light settings. For example, a good night scene might dim the lights and turn them off automatically. You can also set schedules, so your lights turn on and off at specific times, simulating occupancy while you're away or waking you up gently in the morning. Now, let's look at how these features can be used in your daily lighting. In the morning, you can set your lights to gradually brighten, mimicking the sunrise and helping you wake up feeling refreshed. Throughout the day, you can adjust the color temperature to match the natural light outside. creating a more comfortable and productive environment. In the evening, you can dim the lights and switch to warmer colors to wind down and relax. For mood lighting, the possibilities are endless. Throwing a party? Use vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects to create an energetic atmosphere. Hosting a dinner? Set the mood with warm, inviting hues. Having a relaxing night in? Choose calming colors and soft lighting to unwind. Smart bulbs give you the power to transform any space into the perfect setting. When choosing smart light bulbs, consider a few key factors. First, compatibility is crucial. Make sure the bulbs work with your existing smart home system, whether it's Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Think about the brightness you need. Check the lumens LM rating to ensure the bulb provides enough light for your space. Consider energy efficiency and look for bulbs with an Energy Star rating. And of course, think about the features you need, like color changing and dimming. Finally, smart light bulbs offer several benefits. They're convenient, energy efficient, and can enhance your home's ambiance. They can also help you save money on your energy bill and provide added security by simulating occupancy when you're away. They're a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your home and make your life easier. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you understand the world of smart light bulbs. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. See you in the next one.